Excel's sorting feature is powerful. You can sort by custom order like North America, Asia, and Europe instead of just A to Z. Go to the ribbon, click Sort and Filter, and click on Custom Sort. Sort by continent name. Order by custom list. Type the continent name separated by comma in the list entries box. Click OK twice, and you get the data sorted by continent name order by your custom list. Want to enter the same value in multiple cells? Just select them all, type your value, and press Ctrl plus Enter. Done. Select the column. Hit F5, hit Special. Choose blanks. Type equals and up arrow. Ctrl plus Enter. Ever copied a formula and it breaks everything? Use paste values to copy just the result. Ctrl-C and Ctrl-Shift-V to paste only the values. Need to enhance your data quickly? Select your data. Hit Ctrl plus Q and the Quick Analysis tool appears, showing formatting options and more. Visualize patterns instantly by applying a color scale. Select your range and use conditional formatting color scales.